Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Good day! It's been a long time since we had our last video tutorial, and here I am again, your teacher for math. Donna Sensei will help you how to do math as easy as possible. So today's video, we're going to have a tutorial on how are we going to evaluate algebraic expressions. So let's start our video tutorial with our first example. Let's start with 3x minus 7, where the value of our x is equal to 4. Now, in this kind of topic, we're actually going to substitute the value of our variables or whatever will be the letters that is on our given. Now, for our first example, we have there the variable x, where according to the given, the value of our x is equal to 4. So all you just have to do is you're going to substitute the x. Instead of writing x, you're just going to write it 4. So 3 times 4 minus 7. So again, all you just have to do is to change the x into 4. And then do the PEMDAS method. Or you can also use the MDAS method. Okay, now we will start with multiplication before we're going to subtract it to 7. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12 minus 7, and our final answer will be 5. And that is how we're going to evaluate an algebraic expression. This time, let's try another example. So we have 12x squared minus 14y, where the value of our x is equal to 2 and the value of our y is equal to 1. Now, if you're going to observe our second example, we have two variables present in the given, which is the x and the y. And each variable or each letter have a corresponding value. Okay, try to observe our given. It says there x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So all the x will be substitute to 2 and all the y will be substitute to 1. Okay, so let's start substituting the values of our variables. So we'll start with 12 times the value of our x, which is 2, square, don't forget the square there, minus 14 times 1, because 1 is the value of our y. And then let's do the PEMDAS. Remember, we have exponent there, so we're going to start with the exponent before we multiply. So start, 2 squared is equal to 4, and that is why it will become 12 times 4 minus 14 times 1, that is 14. And then we're left with multiplication. So multiply 12 times 4, that is 48 minus 14. And last step, 48 minus 14, our final answer will be 34. And that's how we solve our second example. Now let's try if two variables are seated side by side. Just like our third example, we have xy squared plus 4x, where the value of our x is equal to 5 and the value of our y is equal to 3. Now, how are we going to do this one? Of course, it's the same. We're going to substitute first the value of our variables, x and y, before we solve it using PEMDAS. So let's start with 5, value of our x, times 3, value of our y, and don't forget the square there, plus 4 times the value of our x, which is 5. Next thing, solve first with the value that has an exponent, which is the 3 there. So 3 squared, that is equal to 9. 3 times 3, it's 9. 4 times 5, that is 20. So 5 times 9, we have 45 plus 20. our final answer will be 65. And that's how easy it is to evaluate algebraic expressions like this one. These are some of the basic examples on how are we going to evaluate algebraic expression. If you want to learn more on how to evaluate difficult algebraic expressions, then don't forget to like this video and click the link that is on the description below so that you can check the next video on how to evaluate difficult algebraic expressions like fractions. Don't forget also to subscribe to our channel. See you again to our next video tutorial. This is Donna Sensei signing out.